Hello, my name is Amalia Darnold. My course is CGS 2100, which is Computers and Business. So my project is over the Cafe Blue versus Daily Grind. The categories I chose was cash comparison, brand awareness, cups sold, and this is the same exact thing as cups sold, except it's more in depth. It shows you small, medium, and then large cups. And then if I can just hover over any of this data really. If I hover over this, you can see that like if you hover over blue, it'll show you the Cafe Blue data. Same thing, if you hover over orange, you can see the daily grind data. And then starting with dashboard, if you go there and then through actions, you can choose any of this. I focused on filter and then highlighting. So I'll show you what that does. So for filtering, you can choose to click or to hover. I chose hovering. So I can hover over this blue Cafe Blue and it'll show you the data for cups sold only for Cafe Blue. Same thing with the daily grind. You can see it moving. And then it does that for all of this except for brand awareness because it doesn't have to do with money. That's why it's different. Alright, and then if you go to the show and hide cards, you can go to filters, and then I'm not going to change anything because I already selected it, of course. But that's what this and this is. So as you can see, you can press Cafe Blue. It'll only show you the data for that. Same thing with Daily Grind. I'm going to go back to all. And then you can go into details, and automatically it'll be at like multiple values. I changed it to single value drop down. That way it doesn't show you all of these things. It'll just show you like one bar. Just make it a little bit smaller. And then floating. It's automatically at floating, but I'll show you what that does. So you can just click this right here. You can move it around. Just make your data look a little bit more clean. And then you can go here, for example, and then I'll click this. You can go to caption. Mine's automatically at that, so you can see that there's a caption under this. If I were to do that right here, it'll add a caption, as you can see right here. And then if you go to fit, mine's at width right now. I'm not gonna change it to anything because I don't want it to look weird. But yeah, that way you can design it to however you'd like. And then last but not least, I'll go to brand awareness because right here, this is what it automatically looks like if you press tooltip. I didn't change it because I just didn't feel like there was a need to, but then right here, I did change it up. So automatically it showed just Week Cafe and then the sum, but I switched around and then I made it a sentence. So in this many week or week 1, week 2, whatever, this cafe sold this much money, large cups or whatever. So then you can hover over this and you can see the different types of sentences that it forms according to the data that I hover over. And that's all. Thank you.